So yesterday we started with the aromatic hydrocarbons. In the case of aromatic hydrocarbons, just recap it. It is a main source of the coal tar. Its journal formula is N-6Y, where N stands for the number of carbon atom and Y stands for the number of ring. Then your aromatic hydrocarbons have the very high percentage of carbon, so it burns with a smoky flame. We also call them as a arenes, and they are called as a aromatic because they have a pleasant odor with them. So aroma stands for the pleasant odor. Then further we did the benzenoid and non-benzenoid structures. Benzenoids का मतलब क्या हो गया? That they are going to have the benzene ring in their structure. Non-benzenoid means that they are not going to be associated with a benzene ring. It can be a 5-membered ring, it can be a 7-membered ring, 8-member ring, but it won't be a benzene ring. This much we have done yesterday. Further, we start with the preparation of the benzene. From here, you people require to make notes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. बोलो.
मैम yesterday जो नॉन बेंजेनॉइड का जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाया था उसका नेम क्या था?
Azulene. Azulene. Okay. So when we talk about the preparation of the benzenes, so preparation of the benzenes के अंदर the very first preparation which we have done in the last class only, that is your cyclic preparation of cyclic polymerization of ethine. Yes, who is going to give this reaction? कौन बताएगा? This we have done. Cyclic polymerization. Yesterday only we did.
Ma'am, when ethine is passed through red hot iron tube, then we got benzene.
Yes, at a temperature of what was the temperature condition? 873 Kelvin. Ethine का reaction previous class. So over here I am taking another example. 3 molecules of a propine I am going to take this. So it is your propine. Your temperature is going to be the 873 Kelvin in the presence of a red hot iron tube only. It is going to provide you a CH3, CH3, CH3. Tell me its name, common name as well as IUPAC name. Both names I want. Catalyst. Tell me its IUPAC name as well as the common name as we have already.
E5 trimethyl benzenoid.
Benzenoid ni benzene. 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene. Okay, and its common name we have already done in the starting of the hydrocarbons, its common name is a mesitylene. Okay, this. You can note down this equation. Written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, second preparation method is by the decarboxylation. Decarboxylation of aromatic acids. Okay. Now, in this case, what happened that benzene is prepared by heating a sodium benzoate with soda lime. Means this is your benzene ring. Now, I am saying sodium benzoate means COONA. ठीक है. अब from where it has came? It has came कि आपने NaOH को carboxylic acid के साथ react कराया. So what has happened? You have got a sodium benzoate plus NaOH in the presence of a calcium oxide, heat. So it is going to give you a benzene ring plus sodium carbonate. This is called as a decarboxylation reaction. Why we are going to call this as a decarboxylation reaction? I have already explained you कि decarboxylation का मतलब क्या है. What is the meaning of decarboxylation?
कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव करना.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिमूव करना. ओके. Written this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Your next reaction is next preparation method. That is your reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol, it is done by passing a vapors, you can say vapors over a heated dust. Okay, that whatever the phenol is there over here, you are going to pass out the vapors of the heated dust. So phenol we have taken, zinc dust, heat, you are going to get the benzene plus zinc oxide. This is your next preparation of the aromatic hydrocarbons. Done?
मैम जिंक डस्ट क्या होती है?
Powdered form.
मैम डन.
Done everyone?
तो इसमें हाइड्रोजन गायब कर दिया आपने.
कहाँ पे बेटा? बेंजीन रिंग बनेगी तो हाइड्रोजन वहां आएगा ना बेटा.
यस मैम.
मैम मीन सेकंड वाले में भी बेंजीन में हाइड्रोजन गया है ना.
यस, एवरीवेयर. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now these are the three preparation methods which are given in our NCRT book itself. इसके अलावा देखो, we have the other methods also. तो for the other method, let's discuss. एक method है from the aryl halides. Okay. Now, when we talk about the aryl halides in this case, what we say that benzene can be prepared from the chlorobenzene by reduction process in the presence of a NaOH. Now, this particular reaction, if we do that, you say that if arenes are obtained and in the presence of dry ether it is done, then it is called as a Wurtz-Fittig reaction. I do the make a reaction over here. Aryl halide I have taken and simply I have done a reduction in the presence of a nickel aluminum alloy in the presence of NaOH. So क्या हो गया? It has given us a benzene plus HCl. इसी same aryl halide reaction में say suppose we have taken a any aryl halide, मैं यहाँ पे ब्रोमोबेंजीन ले लेती हूँ, plus sodium metal plus I am taking any alkyl halide over here, and in the presence of dry ether I am doing this reaction instead of these things. So what is going to happen कि बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहां से ये बी आर और यहां से ये बी आर, they are going to eliminate and they will come with this NaBr. Okay, and ये वाला जो part है it is going to come and attach over here. This is going to called as a ethyl benzene. तो ये वाली जो reaction है, this reaction जहां पे aryl halide is going to react with the alkyl halide in the presence of a dry ether, इसको हम नाम दे देते हैं Woods Fittig reaction. Okay, understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear to everyone?
नहीं समझने,
क्या बेटा?
इनके मैकेनिज्म नहीं समझने हमें.
Mechanism we are going to do in mechanism, तो I have already made you understood. जरा मुझे बताओ what is the mechanism? Who is going to tell? कौन बताएगा? I have already covered all the mechanism. ये सतेंद्र only at that time said me this question कि मैम ये सारे तो NCERT में नहीं है, आप जो पढ़ा रहे हो. At that time I told you that the next chapter also I am covering with this. देखो कोई भी reaction हो, for that mechanism will be what? Addition, substitution, electrophilic, nucleophilic और उनके subtypes. So just look what is happening over here.
Bromine is eliminated.
Yes. So now tell me what is the mechanism? The same reaction we are going to do in the grade 12 also. Look, I just explain you what is happening over here, that in this particular reaction, first of all, sodium is mediating the formation of both alkyl and aryl radicals. Alkyl and aryl radicals का मतलब क्या हो गया? That it is removing the Br from here and Br from here. So it is converting into a radical form. It is also converting into a radical form. Then these alkyl and aryl radicals, they are combining to form a substituted aromatic compound. This is the mechanism over here. Got it? Got the point? कि क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? Yes or no?
मैम
हाँ, your voice not coming. No or yes?
नो मैम
देखो भाई, I just explain you क्या हुआ यहाँ पे. Wait a minute. This is my benzene ring. Okay? इसके ऊपर एक हेलोजन है मेरे पास. Okay? Now I am taking, मैं दो सोडियम नहीं ले रही हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे एक ही सोडियम ले रही हूँ. This is a radical over here. अब ये बॉन्ड जब यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हुआ तो ये सेपरेट हो गया. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन कि ये जो X है, इट इज गोइंग टू अटैच विद दिस सोडियम एंड इट हैज formed a free radical of this aryl plus NaX has been formed. Now ये CH3CH2Br वाला I am taking as a RX. Okay? Plus from here another sodium I am taking over here. जब ये वाला बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ तो what has happened? This X and this Na has joined together. So क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? This alkyl group has changed into a free radical plus NaX. Now ये भी radical है, ये भी radical है. Plus this. Now what has become? This has came and joined with this. So it has become over here. Now got it the mechanism? So it has become a substituted aromatic compound. Clear now?
मैम फिर तो ये फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन रिएक्शन है ना?
फ्री रेडिकल सब्स्टिट्यूशन में आ गया ना, सब्स्टिट्यूट हुआ है.
यस
आपका जो
मैम.
आपका जो हेलाइड था, हेलाइड हटके एल्काइल ग्रुप आया है. ओके, गॉट इट? क्लियर
यस
नाउ?
मैम.
Everyone clear with this?
यस मैम
If you want, you can write down this. No writing a mechanism over here. If you want for your knowledge, for remembrance, you can. Done? Done?
यस मैम
Okay.
यस मैम.
Fifth preparation method is you can prepare it from benzene, sulfonic acid. Okay. Now in this case, sulfonic acid क्या हो गया? Benzene sulfonic acid, benzene ring having a SO3H group. When you are going to react or you are going to heat it with a steam, this H2O. Now always remember, आप steam बोलो, hot water बोलो, cold बोलो, whatever you are saying, it is a H2O only. So here we are taking a steam. So it is very compulsory to mention a steam over here. अगर आप सिर्फ H2O लिखते हैं and you do not mention a steam, तो it can be misinterpreted कि ये भाई cold या hot हो सकता. Okay. Then at a temperature 423 to 473 Kelvin, it is going to provide you a benzene plus sulfuric acid. This is your from benzene sulfonic acid. Note down this.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, beta.
मैम आप एक बार फिनॉल से दिखा दो, वो मेरा नेटवर्क चले गया था तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूंगी.
किसका बेटा? This I will upload also.
मैम रिडक्शन ऑफ फिनॉल.
Reduction of phenol. Low. Taken?
यस मैम.
Then this. Done this beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Besides these 5 methods, we can prepare them by the diazonium salts also, Grignard reagent also, Friedel-Crafts reaction also, alkane also. But as of now, for the grade 11, this much is sufficient for us. If you will say, then I will give that reactions also. Now, coming to the next topic, that is your physical properties of the benzene. Now, benzene, we benzene or its homologues, they contain up to 8 carbon atoms. They are colorless liquids, while higher ones are the solids, and all of them have a characteristic smell. Characteristic smell की वजह से we are calling them as a aromatic hydrocarbons. These aromatic hydrocarbons, they are immiscible in water, but they are soluble in organic solvents. They all are inflammable and burn with a sooty flame. Then in this case, note down this question over here. यहाँ पे physical property में we have a question in this. पहले ध्यान से सुनना. The melting and boiling points of aromatic hydrocarbons, they increase with increasing molecular mass. I'm writing the question now. Why do melting and boiling point increases of aromatic hydrocarbons increases with increase in molecular mass. Anyone who can give this answer? Now look what is there. Okay, when the molecular mass is increasing, your melting point is and boiling point, it is also going to increase because there is the increase in the van der Waals forces of attraction. Therefore, we say that their melting point and boiling point are increasing. Write down the answer. Due to increase of van der Waals forces of attraction with increase in